Welcome! If you're looking to connect with your friends on Snapchat in a more interactive way, creating a group is the perfect solution. Whether you want to plan an event, share snaps, or just keep up with your favorite people, a Snapchat group chat makes it easy and fun. Here's how to set up a brand new group on Snapchat step by step. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Once you're in, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the chat icon. This will take you to the chat page where all your conversations live. Next, pay attention to the top of the screen. You'll see 3 dots. Tap on them. This will open up a menu with more options for managing your chats. From here, select New Group. This is where the real fun begins. You'll see your friends list pop up, and you can start choosing who you want to add to your new group. Just tap on the names of the friends you want to include. You can add as many as you like, up to Snapchat's group limit. Once you've picked your friends, tap on Chat. This will move you to the next step, where you'll get to name your group. Pick something memorable or fun that captures the vibe of your group. This will make it easy to find later. And that's it. Your new Snapchat group is ready to go. Now you can send messages, share snaps, and even start group video calls, all in one place. Remember, you can always add more friends later or change your group name if you want to switch things up. Snapchat groups are a great way to keep everyone in the loop and make your conversations more lively. So go ahead, create your group, and start sharing those moments together.